The closing bell on Friday brought a familiar sight. The Dow, the S&P, all pretty flat. But then there was FFIE, Faraday Future, surging like a salmon fighting upstream. A staggering surge, even if it ended at just 61 cents a share. What on earth happened? Faraday Future, a company that makes electric cars, has been struggling. They've been bleeding cash, laying off workers, and their flagship vehicle is still more concept than reality. Yet surge it did. And to understand why, we need to look beyond balance sheets and PE ratios. We need to look at world of social media, memes, and the power of the crowd. It was about the rise of the meme stock. The stock closed at 61 cents on Friday, up over 20% on the day. It's the fact that a company on the brink could still see its stock skyrocket based purely on online hype and social media momentum. The market is a fickle beast driven by fear and greed, by logic and emotion. Let's take a quick look at the chart. We saw this hit almost 80 cents with the hype with GameStop stock. On Friday, this closed around 61 cents, which would have put anyone in profits if they bought the dip the day prior. The internet has fundamentally changed the way we invest. It's given ordinary people access to information and tools that were once the exclusive domain of Wall Street. It's allowed them to connect with each other, to share ideas, and to coordinate their actions in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. When enough people believe in something, even if that something is just a stock, it can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more people buy into the hype, the more the price goes up, which attracts even more buyers. It's a feedback loop, fueled by social media and the fear of missing out. The company does have some things going for it. They're in the electric vehicle space, which is still red hot. They've got a flashy new car in the works. But let's be real, none of that explains a price jump in a single day. That kind of move is driven by speculation, by hype, by the raw power of the crowd. So, where does Faraday Future go from here? Again, it's anyone's guess. Maybe this is the start of a real turnaround. Maybe they'll ride this wave of momentum, secure new funding, and become the next Tesla. Or maybe, just maybe, this is just another pump and dump. A quick spike fueled by social media hype, followed by an inevitable crash back down to earth. Faraday Future is a company at a crossroads. They've got a lot to prove. The meme stock frenzy has given them a lifeline, a chance to rewrite their story. Now it's up to them to make the most of it. The market is no longer the exclusive domain of Wall Street. The internet has leveled the playing field, giving everyone a voice and a vote. And that's both exciting and terrifying. Exciting because it means that anyone, regardless of their background or net worth, has the upside to strike it rich. Terrifying because it also means that the market is more volatile, more unpredictable, and more susceptible to manipulation than ever before. The rise of the meme stock is just one symptom of this new reality. A reality where information travels at the speed of light, where attention spans are measured in seconds. So, the next time you see a stock like Faraday Future surging for seemingly no reason, don't be so quick to dismiss it as irrational exuberance. For now, the Faraday Future saga continues. The stock is up, but for how long? Will they become the next big thing in electric vehicles, or will they fade away like so many other hyped-up startups? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure, the market will never be the same. The meme stock revolution has fundamentally changed the way we think about investing. The future of finance is being written right now. One post on X, one Reddit post, one meme stock surge at a time. Remember to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.